This is your reminder that life isn't just about working and paying bills. Imagine mo na di mo na kailangan mag-request ng time off for the moment that matter most to you. To celebrate birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas with your loved ones. O ang simpleng makapagpahinga lang saglit. How many times have you missed precious moments because work got in the way? Para sa mga mommies, ilang beses mo kinailangang hindi siputin ang school events dahil on duty ka? How often have you felt stuck, missing out on what really matters? Pati ang mga kaibigan mo hindi mo na nakakausap. Overdue ang catch-up. Or just a peace of mind to take a break when you need it, hindi mo pa magawa. Time doesn't wait. Memories are being made with or without you. Ako po si Vera. I am a registered nurse, a permanent makeup artist, turned into a stay-at-home mom, and an online business owner. Naghanap ako ng pagkakakitaan na ako ang may control sa oras ko. Mahalaga yun dahil may anak ako na may challenges pa siya. Kaya kailangan flexible ang oras ko. Pinakamahalaga sa akin ang nasasaksihan at nagagabayan namin ang paglaki niya. Life shouldn't be about choosing between paying bills and being present for moments that matter. Walang halong etos, but what if I told you there's a way to take back control? To design a life where your time is yours, where you decide where to work, when to work, and how much to earn. Gusto mo yon, di ba? It's not just a dream. Thousands of people have already made this a reality through online businesses. And guess what, sis? Kaya mo din to. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Don't settle for tsaka na. Start creating the freedom you deserve today so you can make time for what really matters, no matter what the season. Don't wait for life to happen. Design it. Your family and your future self will thank you. Kung interesado ka na malaman tungkol sa business na to, click learn more o mag-register lang sa aking website na nasa video na ito o sa caption area. Excited ako para sa'yo. See you on the inside.